Hey, it's Emilio from Bambi Baby, and today we're going to discuss how to properly harness your baby in a convertible car seat. This will work with any car seat. Today we're using a Nuna Rava just because it was simple and at my disposal. The proper steps is always connect the bottom buckles first. So you grab the buckles, connect it to the bottom. Do the same thing on both sides. Once that's connected, you must pull on the bottom strap to tighten the belts. Now, a big problem that always happens is parents like to come back and do this first. I'm going to show you what happens when you don't do that in the proper steps. So, push the button, release the belt, unbuckle or clip, release the bottom. That's the proper step to do it, to take them out, and to do it in harness. Now, what happens is, if I adjust this belt doesn't harness properly now. So you have to be really cautious. You don't tangle the belts in the back of any car seat. So once I have this wide open and at full disposal, if I don't connect the bottom first, so chances are your baby hates the car seat, and when you come in, baby's crying, and the first thing parents like to do is kind of connect this chest clip to hold them in place, just to control the baby from moving around, and then they try and do the other processes, and buckle on the bottom, and the baby's screaming and crying, and we understand. But what happens here is if the baby's head is here, and now I go to tighten this doesn't work. This chest clip comes all the way up and now gets too high on the throat, and therefore making the baby even more uncomfortable. So you want to make sure you follow the proper steps. Always press the button, release the harness every single time, then release the chest clip, then release the buckle. That leaves the harness wide open. When I come back in, do the same steps. Connect the buckle, pull on the belt. Once it's tight, then we line up the chest clip. If you do that over and over again, you will not run into any issue whatsoever harnessing your baby in a convertible car seat. It's Emilio. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the little bell if you like it. Follow us on Instagram. DM us. We respond quickly. Thank you for watching.